Hello, my billionaire family. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Today tutorial will be on this V round ruffle style. This style is like 3 in 1. So I started by creating like 5 plates there. Then the ratio for this gele is 3 line, and it's 50-50, 70-30 ratio. 70-30 ratio. So here is the 70 part that I'll be bringing back to the front. So here is the 70 parts, like that. So I'm creating like 5 plates there. So just look at that, guys. This style is so beautiful. Like, seriously, it's so pretty. So now I'm just using like office pen to secure it there. That's what I'm doing, like so. Just be careful when using the office pen not to hurt your clients. So the next thing now, the 70 part of it, I'm bringing it back to the front. But before that, I'll be using office pen to pin it down at that side, at that area there, like that, so that it will not remove. Just look at what I'm doing, like so. So look at how I'm placing it. How to start creating the ruffles. Just be careful when using the office pen, because I could remember I hurt my model like 2 or 3 times in this video. So you have to be very careful when using your office pen, please. Be very careful. So I'm still using the office pen, like so. So still adjusting it, like that. You may feel that the gele is not beautiful now, but the finishing look, oh my god, you will not believe it. The finishing look of it. So the next thing now, oh, this gele. The office pen did not catch the gele very well. That is why it removed like that. So make sure your office pen hold it very well, like that. So the next thing now, I'll be creating ruffles, and placing pleats at that side, like so. Your baby Joshua is at my back. Oh. I back him at my back in this video. It was a bit stressful. No be small thing. So just adjusting it, like that, like that. Just make sure you take your time, adjust it the way you want your gele to be. Make sure you adjust it the way you want, like that. So still adjusting it. So and this is the finished look of the gele. So do let me know what you think about the gele. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.